To add, rearrange, or remove widget on your lock screen in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find wallpaper and style. Tap wallpaper and style and then tap the lock screen thumbnail to go to the lock screen edit screen. Alternatively, you can go to this menu from your lock screen. To do so, on your lock screen, long tap on an empty area. If you use a secure screen lock type, enter your screen lock. Since this phone is using pattern and fingerprints, then we can either draw the pattern or scan the fingerprint. So we can go to the lock screen edit screen. To add widget to your lock screen, tap the widget bar below the clock and then select the desired widget you like to add. As the example, we will add battery status widget that you can find under battery and the daily activity chart widget that you can find under Samsung Health section. As a note, you can add widget until all the space in the widget bar is taken. Next, to rearrange the widget on your lock screen, you can do so simply by tapping the widget bar and then drag and drop the widget to change its order. Next, to remove a widget from your lock screen, tap the widget bar and then tap the remove icon at the top right of the widget you like to remove. If you have finished customizing the widget on your lock screen, tap done button to save the change. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.